Bradely.
Welcome back, everyone. A relatively nice Saturday out there. Sun and cloud mix. High temperatures climbing to the mid to upper 80s. Another nice but warm one on tap for your Sunday before warmer temperatures arrive for the upcoming work week. More on that in just a minute. But first, taking a look at our bigger picture. And you know, the last couple of weeks we've been in that active weather pattern across Acadiana, really associated with upper level low pressure that kind of just meandered around the Arklatex region. That has since pushed eastward. Now we're going to have ridging and associated high pressure moving to the area. So that means we're going to not only dry out, but also warm up. We kind of felt that throughout the day today. We'll see that again tomorrow, about a degree or two warmer for your Sunday, and then we'll really feel it as we head through the first week of June. Now taking a look at our satellite and radar from earlier this afternoon, northerly flow in place for most of the state. But we still have that Gulf breeze effect along our coastal regions, so that kind of creates a natural convergence zone really right along our coastal parishes. And so we did see some showers and storms get going earlier this afternoon. Most of us, however, though, did stay on the drier side and warmer side. Still have some showers and storms ongoing this evening just west of New Iberia. Good news is this storm looks as though it's starting to weaken as it moves into western Iberia Parish and over towards St. Mary Parish. Morgan City getting in on a heavier shower and thunderstorm. This one also appears to be weakening, and that's going to be the trend as we head through the next several hours this evening. Most of these storms should begin to dissipate as we lose the heating of the day. Now rolling it through overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, I think we stay rather quiet. Waking up tomorrow morning, upper 60s to around 70 degrees for your overnight low. So if you're going out for that early morning jog, things looking pretty good. By mid-morning and around lunchtime tomorrow in the mid-80s, and then by tomorrow afternoon, I think we see a little bit more sunshine than what we saw out there today. So that means we're going to warm up a little bit into the upper 80s. I think close to 90 degrees for your Sunday. We'll go with a sun and cloud mix, and really rain chances only about 10% if that, and just like today, mainly constricted to our coastal parishes. And then Mondays, more of the same, quiet start and then staying quiet throughout the afternoon. I think we warm up a little bit more into Monday, highs topping out in the lower 90s for your Monday, first day of June. Overnight tonight, again, lower 70s for your overnight low, and tomorrow afternoon, upper 80s to around 90 degrees under mainly dry conditions. Now, as we head into the mid and latter part of the upcoming work week, we'll start to get a more southerly flow established across the region. So that means deep tropical moisture able to get transported into our region. So coupled with daytime heating, we'll likely see slightly elevated rain chances into the mid and latter part of next week. Euro even keeping the moisture around as we head through next weekend as well. But we're still a week out, plenty of time to watch. Speaking of which, we do have another area the Hurricane Center is keeping its eye on this evening, giving it about a 60% chance to develop out here in the central Atlantic Ocean. Good news is it's going to continue to trek off toward the north and affect no land masses at all. So that's good news, and keep in mind, hurricane season starting on Monday. Now is a good time to finalize those plans and get those preparations in the event a storm heads our way. 70 your overnight low tonight, a pleasant evening. Very slight chance of rain early on this evening, then we start to clear out. And for tomorrow, a sunglasses, sunscreen type of day. We'll have a few passing clouds, but highs topping out near 90 degrees and a slight chance for an afternoon storm. Rolling through the 10-day here, staying quiet mainly through Tuesday. Those high temperatures getting in the lower 90s, and then we'll bring those daily rain chances back by mid and latter part of the upcoming work week, with high temperatures running in the mid to upper 80s.